Hello guys, today I want to show you how you can make patterns as well as textures. So without wasting any time, let's get started. On stamp tool, you have the pattern stamp tool. Click here and you can see here many of the patterns. You can see there are strange as well as unique patterns. If you click here and you can load many other patterns from here. For example, I'm loading these patterns. Press OK. If I click here woven flat pattern, and you can see with the help of brush I can apply this pattern very easily and very precisely. You can see the stone patterns, it is like the tiles. Guys, now I want to show you how you can make the pattern according to your taste. From here I'm unlocking this layer. I've taken this image. Take this marquee tool and select the portion you want to make the tiles of this. Go into the edit and simply click on the define pattern. Like this you can define any of the patterns. Guys, with the help of this marquee tool, let's draw a line. Like this, and fill the color by pressing Alt backspace. You can see now under this again draw a line and fill the color by Alt backspace. Select this all and let's define a pattern. Go into the edit and click on define pattern. Hit OK. Run that how it was made. Have this right here. Guys, now I'm taking a new document, a new canvas. Width I'm taking to 1 pixel. 1 pixel and the height to 30 pixels. Hit OK. You can see I have a very small line. I'm selecting this complete image and going to define the pattern. Hit OK. Guys, I'm hiding this layer and I want to show you here. See, I have this pattern right here, pattern 3. See guys, like this you can make any of the pattern according to your taste. Now I want to show you how you can change the color. Okay guys, this is all for today. Please subscribe and stay tuned for the next class.